apprehensive about doing this because she has been so aggressive in this scenario. And the reason she was relinquished to me was for biting. Historically, she's gotten very growly at this point. Okay, Mom's gonna dry you now. Sophie. Okay, right now I really wish I had some extra control over her head because she's obviously unhappy. If I proceeded, she'd get more and more aggressive and go for a bite. I mean, that's what she's done historically. I don't know though because I don't push it beyond that. I'll let her air dry at that point and show you what I anticipate she'll do in this scenario, which is so she self-directs the aggression at that point. Now, what I'd like to show you is if I put the gentle leader on her, I can just show you my extra level of control that I'd have with her if I want to continue drying her off or doing some kind of management with her. So I'm going to use some food treats to help get it on, knowing that she's already a bit in an aroused state. And I think she'll be more reactive now than she was perhaps prior to the bath. I don't know if you caught that on film, but when I snapped the collar, she jerked at that point. Once again, she's in a higher reactive state. We've just gone through a fairly stressful procedure with her. Leave it. Sophie, sit. So now I'm gently doing some drying of her, not roughing her up too much. She's tolerating it well, so I have some slack on the leash right here. But I'm not giving her a lot of slack because I know she can snap quickly, and so therefore I can respond appropriately and get her head away from me if I need to. She goes into a snap and put pressure on it. Prior to previous baths, she has not been willing to take a treat at this point. She's so nervous. So this tells me that she's at a lower level of anxiety. Now granted, she's still anxious. I mean, the dog is trembling, her ears are kind of pinned back, she's got dilated pupils, she's not comfortable completely, but she's, I think, at a lower state of anxiety than she was in previous times. What a good girl, Ashmi. Good girl.